You just have to practice to learn. You guys have no idea how many times I have redo this hairstyle. I'm practicing. I've watched a lot of videos and I thought, you know what, I'm ready to go out. I just have to practice this hairstyle to learn, and I have no idea. This is my first time doing it, and it is so difficult. It is difficult. If you have not done it before and it's your first time doing it, it's a bit difficult. I know how to do it on someone's head, but I've never attempted to do this on my own hair. I've done it once for a friend, and she also had like really short hair, and I did it quite good. But on my own head, I have never attempted. So today I was like, you know what? Let's try something. I did it and it didn't turn out, and I redo it again and I redo it again, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna attempt to do it and let's see how it turned out. I hope it's not going to be that bad. It's just something else. I wanted to try something. I wanted to try it. I just wanted to try it. So I had to practice. I had to make mistakes for me to be better at it. And yeah,
Yeah.
it wasn't that bad as I thought it was, but it also wasn't as good like the way I saw on videos how other people do it so fantastic, so beautifully. Mine was just all over the place, but yeah, it is what it is. I just had to attempt to do it, but when it dried out, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't as bad as it was. Anyway, it was bad. It was bad. It wasn't good. But hey, we have to start from somewhere. We gotta start from somewhere. You see how serious my face was? I was so serious thinking that I'm doing a beautiful job. At the back, I couldn't see anything at the back. So I'm just going with the feeling. I'm just going with the flow. And I'm just hoping that it turned out at least nice, or it turned out to something. Yeah, I didn't know how to do a mirror so I can look at the back because I was home alone. So yeah, no one was home to tell me, oh, it's not good or you have to redo it. So I just go with the flow. And yeah, I don't know. I have nothing to say. Just me attempting to do something. It was fun. It was fun. Now I'm laughing about it, but when I was doing it, I was so serious. I was so serious. Before ever I start recording, I have done this like more than 10 times, and I redo it again, do it and redo it again. At this point, I was like, you know what? It is what it is. Let's just go with it. And yeah, this is this is one of the worst hairstyle I've ever done. It was, but it was fun. It was really fun. It was fun, you know. It was fun. Wasn't as awful, but it was something crazy. It was crazy. It was crazy. Yeah, I thought it is what it is. Let's just leave it. Pray it turned out good. So I had this hair tie. I decided to just tie my head and sit under the dryer for I think like 30 minutes. It's not there for 30 minutes, 1 hour, and then after that I do my makeup and just put on my outfit, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished result. But it was what it was. That's all I can say. It was what it was. Next time I'll just go to someone to do it for me. But it was fun. The experience was fun. Now I know I can't do it
Right.
myself.
Let me guys give you a finished result of the hair. Like I said on my other videos, I am learning. I've never had this hairstyle before. I saw it on the internet and I love it, and I'm willing to learn because I don't have my account is not accounting to be going to the salon every time to restyle it, so I have to learn at home. So this is the finished result on the hairstyle that I did. I don't know how the back look. I'm afraid to turn around because I don't know how the back look. My daughter is not at home because she's the person that she's my like she tells me whether it's good or bad, but she's not home. So I'm kind of scared to for you guys to be the judge. But the front, it's not the best, but it's also not that extremely bad for my first attempt. Like, don't judge. I beg you guys. You know, easy with me. I'm still learning. Don't judge me. Don't judge me if you don't want to get judged. But anyway, this is what it turned out. I really like it. It's not perfect, but I do like it. It looks really, really nice. I love the makeup look. I just love how everything turned out. So now, let's get ready. I'm going out. I'll put pictures of my outfits because the bedroom now is bedrooming. The bedroom is bedrooming. I have everything just lying down on this bed. But anyway, I'll clean up before I leave. I have my mini fan because if you live in the Netherlands, you need one of these right now because the sun is sunning. But anyway, thank you guys so much for your love and support. And I can't wait to come back and experiment with these hairstyles and see how we turned up. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out.